with double up and extra spins.
Lots for fun here. We are at the World of Windstar. Alright. Bonus round. Go for that major or grand. Come on, major. Is $20. 2-cent denomination, total bet $1.76. This is a first spin bonus. Come on, Brad. Let's go. Come on, fill it up. 3 more on the bottom. Come on, fill it up. Yes, please. 2 more on the bottom. Let's do it. Come on. 2 more. Let's fill it up. Come on, Louie, you can do it. Come on. Drop it. Oh. Okay, that was it for the bottom. 1 more on the top. Come on, let's go. Fill it up. Bonus $1.76 at the World of Windstar. Let's go. Do some backup spins. Not bad.
Present extra spin.
Yeah. Alrighty then. That's why you gotta do your backup spins, guys. Always do backup. Always do your backup spins. And sometimes you get bonus after bonus. You just never know. Words. Last one.